Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2016 Toyota Corolla, stock number 7337. It's ran from the 4th 2015 to the 6th 2019. It's a 2ZR RFE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2ZR RFE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory magnet tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory magnet tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory magnet tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory magnet tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, inner AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.